Well, good morning, John here from Big Dreams Travel. We are at All-Star Movies Resort, but we're heading over to Disney's Hollywood Studios in just a little bit. We're going to try to do Rise of the Resistance and some other things in the morning there at Hollywood Studios. So glad you're tuning into our channel here at Big Dreams Travel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and that bell that'll notify you if we have some more travel content for you. And thanks for watching, everyone. Let's go to Hollywood Studios. All right, so we're here at Hollywood Studios for anyone interested. It's at 8:30 a.m. early entry hours, 9 a.m. general park opening. And I got to the bus stop at All-Star Movies at about 7:20, and the bus came in about 3 minutes. I think it came at 7:23, and it's now 7:35 as I'm off the bus and walking here by the Skyliner. So headed into Hollywood Studios. I did get a individual lightning lane for Rise of the Resistance. That was my goal for this morning. And I got it for $9.50. So just right after park opening. But I will say the lightning lanes did not open at 7. It was about 7:10 before they showed up in the system. So just something to know. That may happen from time to time. So here we go. And just like that, we're into Hollywood Studios.
All right, let's roll.
Got scanned into early entry. And we're here. It's about 7:40 and we're in the park. See what we decide to do here at Rope Drop. I'm not even sure what I'm going to hit, but we'll see. All right, in here in Hollywood Studios this morning, here's that most people are going off that way towards Rise of the Resistance, or then probably back towards Slinky Dog, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Not really hardly anybody at all heading off down towards Rock and Roller. I've seen a few people kind of go that way, but we'll decide what we're going to do and check back in here. I do like the new opening procedure where they're letting you go basically all the way down to the different lands, and they're not holding you here on the Main Street area. That's a nice change, I think, for this rope drop time, to let you go on to the area you're going to start. Alright, so decided to jump on Mickey and Minnie Runaway Railway. Doesn't appear to be very many at all heading into here. Everybody, of course, heading to Slinky Dog or Rise of the Resistance back to Galaxy's Edge. So we're going to do Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Alright, so it's 8:25 and they are loading us into the pre-show room here at Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
See you all there. Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. And we're very trouble. Hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there?
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure, Goofy, I can help you with that.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Hurry, hurry, up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! Ready right now!
Don't be shy. That's right.
So it's about 8:40 as we get off Runaway Railway. They loaded us into the pre-show at about 8:25. So we were on the ride about 8:30. They loaded us into the pre-show about 8:25, and we were on the ride about 8:30. So headed into Toy Story Land. Now, it's super important to be here early in the early entry hour because I was in the first pre-show. I was in the first pre-show at Mickey and Minnie's and was off super quick, but by the time early entry started, the queue behind me was almost completely full. So certainly important to be very, very early. And here we go. We're going to try to get on. Toy Story. It's a 30-minute posted wait here. Headed into Toy Story. Set a 30-minute wait. We'll see how long that actually takes. All right, got off Toy Story. It is 9:10 right now. I think we're going to head over to Star Tours. The park just opened to the regular public, so basically got Mickey and Minnie's Railway and Toy Story done during early entry. But of course, I was pretty far up in that railway line because I got here early enough that I was in the first pre-show. So again, super important if you're a resort guest to probably be at least 45 minutes early to the park at Hollywood Studios if you want to get a couple of these rides in during the early entry time. So again, about 9:10, gonna head over to Star Tours. Again, don't have to rush around too much because I was able to get that lightning lane for Rise of the Resistance here in a bit. Alright, heading back into Galaxy's Edge. Just came and did Star Tours, just about a 5-minute wait. It's about 9:40 right now. You can see the Rise of the Resistance line weaving through the entrance here to Galaxy's Edge. We've got our lightning lane here in a little bit, but gonna go right now, grab a little breakfast at Ronto Roasters. Alright, got us a Ronto wrap, as you can see, over at Ronto Roasters, the breakfast wrap, and we're gonna dig in. We're sitting over here by the dark side area, and we'll eat this, and then I think head in for our Rise of the Resistance boarding group. Not boarding group, lightning lane.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Nom and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, it'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
This ship is now under the command of the First Order. Collect it and proceed down the corridor on your right for cross the station. Now get off the ship.
I also like that. I also like that.
Oh my God.
What I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Let's go to the prison! We are breaching the Trenton Rock Bridge. Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these 2 droids anyway? Detention block breach. Prisoners last seen on landing team. There they are! Fire! Gather troops! Distinct blast to force!
I see no evidence.
Now! Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run!
Just got done with Rise of the Resistance. Welcome back to the front of the park. So it's 10:40. Done Mickey and Minnie's Railway, Toy Story, and Star Tours all stand by. We also got a Ronto wrap, and then we did Rise of the Resistance with a Lightning Lane pass. The ride did kind of go down briefly while we were in the Lightning Lane line, so it took about 25 minutes. But about 15 minutes of that, we weren't moving at all. So that happens sometimes on Rise. But we're going to head out. We snagged a lunch reservation last minute at Beaches and Cream. It's just me, so pretty easy to find one, but going to head to the beach club.